It's too hard to answer for the company.
Yeah, I mean, I think that from my perspective, a good site is one that is responsive to and open with communications, that has flexibility and is able to get up and running quickly, and has access to patients. And I think most importantly is willing to if a study is not a good fit, to say this is just not a good fit for us. Because I tell people all the time that I'd rather have a site say they can get 5 patients and get 5 patients than say they can get 10 patients and only get 6 patients, right? Because we have to get those 4 patients somewhere else. And so I think having a big part of what we're driving towards now is these really open and transparent conversations and relationships with sites, because ultimately we're all in this for the same thing, right? It's not sites versus sponsors versus CROs. It's all of us against the diseases that we're fighting. So I think having that open and honest communication, and that's something that we need. This is a two-way street, right? That's something that sponsors, I think, need to commit to, as well as being as transparent as possible and as humble as possible. We don't have all the answers. I think I've been on the sponsor side for a pretty long time, and I think for decades, sponsors, we generally kind of thought we did have all the answers, and that's just not realistic.